Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, that is awesome because here we are going to share something that is really serious with the potential. Omni that is building serious momentum because we are going to share and exploring the best trading academy here that is going to be led by Oscar Carboni with 44-year plus experience as technical analyst trader join thriving community here. So how we are also here because there is massive growing community with their 4 million plus already market cap, and here you can also check out there are multiple videos on the trading session, as well as you can also get all the guide on their official YouTube channel. So if you want to know further information, you can also explore all these link in my video description I have given, so you can join Omni Trading token as well. So let's explore together about their best service that is going to be providing by Omni Trading Academy live with Oscar, and their official social media links will also be able to join. So first you can also check out their feature where you can get daily Omni token as well, their cap in different region. When you want to join, you want to see, then their Omni Trading Academy, and here you can check where boost camp are going to be spotted, and here you will also get all these details, and there have been designed what are the main topics as knowledge and ability to analyze there will be shared. And here you can also find their YouTube channel is also now live where Oscar Carboni is going to share their best experience, and next you can also find here day trading future and many other things. So first you have to know about the Omni Trading token that is also available. When you will come on the pump fund, Omni Trading as there is also available with their previous stream clips that you can also watch, so you will get the best concept. And if you want to know about their token details, then here are $4.4 million plus their market cap, and here is the chart analysis too that will give you a new like a goosebump how this is going to making a next journey, and this is next gem for you. This is about the token you can also join. For that you can also come in this section using Solana currency. You can also get the Omni token into your account, so you will be a part of this community. And next you can also check, are you trying to boost your short-term trading results? Now you can also follow them, their Oscar Carbone official Twitter, Telegram, and YouTube, so you will also get all the latest notifications on time. And there you will also check what is the Omni Online Trading Academy, how you are going to join. I will also show you because this is led by expert who have 42-year plus experience as trader analyst, and there you can also get the best service too. With the experienced trainer, there will be given private and professional speculators. With the past decade, they have already made this academy. With flash update, you can also go for live trading room too. For that, you can also sign up your account for the first time. You can also get free membership or platinum membership too. And you need to create the account. For that, you can also come on this section here. So for the first time you need to create account. For that you can put your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, and here desired username that must be unique, and unique password of 6 to 8 digit. After accept the terms and condition, verify your email by the code you will receive, and after that you can click on the verify, and your account will be successfully completed. If you have account like me, I can easily log in. You can also log into the account where you have two options like Oscar's chat room, get daily Omni that I have already given you. First, we want to start Oscar chat room. There you can find Oscar main trading room. You can join. There are three chatters. OMNI Camp alumni room where zero chatter, but you can also join now. And then there you can check people already in it. If you have question, you can also drop here, and then you have to click on the send. Like here, I can also go for first and give them and good message. And see here, I have given hi message, and now they will also give me reply for that. And here are also the chatters. If they are live, there will be green symbol and their portfolio profile picture too. And there is also the room, Oscar main trading room. There is camp alumni. You can also join them. For that, you can also put your password. So here how it works actually. When you will come, there is also camera. If you go for live, and you can also join them, all these options are here. So there you can also chat with Oscar, and there you can also find the other detail for next OmniCamp and how it is going to start it. You can also check here, as well as the VIP props. If you have alert, you will also get there. You can also go for OmniCamp applications too. So you can also click on it, and there is the interface where you can also check out. Click here to Omni for Camp in Europe, and there are also some tutorial you can see and how it is get started with their application. You can click on it, and there you can fill some information, and then you will, if you are going to qualify, then you will proceed. And here next you can also check out Omni Trading Camp is designed for novice analyst trader, communities, short-term days trader, and there you can also get ETF analyst and future trading. And here is the man. Here is also the founder of Omni Trading Academy with such a long-term vision and their best experience too. So if you are still interested, you are watching this video, it means you want to take part in this ecosystem. I will provide link in video description so you can also join. And Omni Camp is also designed for you so you can execute your dream plans as you are going to fulfill them using their best experience. And next you can also check here already there are 1400 professional trained, and their 35-year plus experience with 10 plus media channels with 100 professionalism. And you can also grab the membership. There are platinum professional plan where you can get access to Omni as well as their benefit to the members too. So many members who have already got their services to hear all the information and guidance. So you can check out and latest notification on their official social media links too. I have given you detail about how it works on the DX screener with the Omni token are also on the Solana, and their $4.4 million as market cap has already increased. So you can check out how to start your chat with them, and you can come on the pump fund for their official Omni token trading. You can also start for applications too, and you can follow them on their official Facebook, where you will also get what the Oscar Carboni said about signal gone green. Our next one, what is upcoming, you can also follow them. So this is where you can also come to know and how this real crypto working, stock working, and with a person who have 44-year plus experience. So be a next analyst as a team member of Oscar Carboni. And if you have still any question, you can chat with them. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.